Hello, fellow carving enthusiasts, and welcome back to our creative corner where the art of wood carving comes alive. Today, we're diving into the delicate and rewarding process of carving a hummingbird, a truly inspiring subject that's as challenging as it is satisfying. Before we get our hands busy, let's talk about preparation, which is just as important as the carving itself. Having the right tools and a thoughtfully chosen pattern can make all the difference in transforming a plain block of wood into a breathtaking work of art. We're using basswood for this project. It's a favorite among carvers, both new and seasoned, because of its fine grain and soft texture. This wood is forgiving and versatile, perfect for achieving those detailed cuts that really make your work pop. Today, we'll start with something a bit different. We'll be gluing 2 blocks of wood together. This isn't just to give us more room to work with, it also adds stability to our piece. More stability means we can carve deeper without worrying about the wood splitting, allowing us to really bring out those bold, beautiful features of our hummingbird. Once our blocks are securely bonded, we'll begin shaping the rough outline of the hummingbird. It's crucial to start with gentle cuts and gradually go deeper. This method helps us avoid removing too much material too soon, giving us the flexibility to refine our work as the shape emerges. As you carve, focus on the unique aspects of the hummingbird. The curve of the beak, the spread of the wings, the texture of the feathers. These small details are what will bring your carving to life, giving it character and movement. Light and shadow play a big role in how your final piece will look. Think about how the light falls and the shadows form, and use this to enhance the three-dimensional effect of your hummingbird. It's these subtle touches that can really make your work stand out. When you're happy with your carving, a light sanding will smooth any rough edges, making sure all your beautiful details are perfectly showcased. Finish up with a sealant or wood oil to protect your artwork and bring out the natural hues of the wood. Remember, every piece you carve is a step along your creative journey. Embrace each project as an opportunity to learn and explore different techniques and styles. And if you're ever in need of new ideas, we've got you covered with over 150 printable patterns for wood carving. It's a great resource whether you're just starting out or looking to tackle something new and complex. Thank you for tuning in today. Keep on carving, keep on exploring, and above all, enjoy the journey of bringing wood to life. Don't forget to follow Beavercraft to share your progress and experiences with our community. Your stories and insights are what help us all grow together in this fascinating craft.